Hi, my name is Daniel, and today I just received this package from post office. I think it's from Banggood, and let's just open it. Let's see what it's inside. Nothing else. Oh, very nice, very nice. Very good. I put a lot of foam. Oh, we have a Flux. It's just for soldering. Oh, come on, come on. I'll be showing. Let me focus, focus, come on, yeah. This is the brand. Amtech, I think so. Yes. Made in China, of course. And this is the Flux. I don't know how many grams, but let's see. $18 grams. Yes, I think so. It's 18 grams. I don't remember exactly. And yes, it's great. It's good for soldering, for RC, for battery, for quadcopters, for everything else. It's very good. And I'm gonna use this a lot for soldering batteries and something like that. Yeah, this is the Flux. And thank you for watching. Subscribe, like the video if you like it, and I'm gonna put a link in the description. If you want to buy one of these, you can find it in Banggood. Thank you, have fun, bye bye.